Hello, my dear students. Today we are going to learn our chapter number 2, Challenges to National Security External. Yesterday we have last lecture we have seen which are the neighboring countries of India, and because of these neighboring countries which challenges means we the Indian are facing related to purpose of national security. Okay, security purpose we are facing many challenges because of our some neighboring countries. Okay. Now yesterday we have last lecture we have seen because of Pakistan which challenges we faced. Now today we are going to learn our second neighbor China. Okay, see, it is the north side of India. See everyone, China. China, which is one on the north of India, is a global power. India's dispute with China is mainly about the border and about the position of Tibet. China is on the north of India, and it is the global it is a rich nation. Okay, China, if you are thinking about China related to economical condition or all of the things, China is a global power. India's dispute with China is mainly about the borders and about the position of Tibet. If you are thinking argument related to China is mainly about the border and position of Tibet. Okay. The two areas where the border dispute exists are the area of Akchin and the northern border of the state of Arunachal Pradesh. There are the dispute between China and India. It exists the area of Akchin. Akchin is the part of Kashmir. In north side of India, there is a Kashmir, and Akchin is a part of Kashmir, but now it is occupied by China. Occupied by China, and there is it is governed by the China. Okay, and there is a northeast side. There is Arunachal Pradesh our one of the state Arunachal Pradesh is there, and northeast border related to China. There is a dispute between India and China. Okay. The area of Arunachal Pradesh was called Northeast Frontier Agency. The area of Arunachal Pradesh was called Northeast Frontier Agency, NEPA. The area of Akchin and Indian territory in Ladakh has been illegally occupied by China. The area of Akchin in north side, it is a part of Kashmir, but illegally occupied by China, and in the northeast side Indian territory in Ladakh, where there is a border between Arunachal Pradesh and China. Ladakh has been illegally occupied by China. This part also Ladakh illegally occupied by China. The border between Arunachal Pradesh and Tibet is called McMahon Line. This border is known as, where there is a border between Arunachal Pradesh and China, it is known as McMahon Line. This line was finalized in 1914 at a conference held in Simla in the presence of representatives of India. This line, McMahon Line, was finalized in 1914 at a conference held in Simla. China and Tibet there is a representative China, Tibet and India. There was a conference held in Simla and in 1914. Okay, and Henry McMahon Then the British official was also instrumental in finalize this line of international border between India and China. Means the British that time in 1914, McMahon he was the governor, and means he instrumental in finalize this line of international border between India and China. This border dispute was the main reason for the 1960 war between India and China. This border McMahon line was the main dispute behind the war between 1960 India and China. Tibet has traditionally been recognized as an autonomous region. Tibet, if you are thinking about Tibet, Tibet has traditionally been recognized as an autonomous region. Autonomous means self-governing. It is a self-governing region. It has its own Buddhist culture. Means Tibet, there is a means India is known for Hinduist culture and Tibet is known for Buddhist culture. However, since 1950s, China has occupied Tibet. Means in 1950, China occupied Tibet and has tried to end traditional Buddhist culture. China tried to end the traditional Buddhist culture. The Tibetan leader Dalai Lama fled to India in 1958, and because of that, Tibetan leader Dalai Lama he fled to India in 1958 because of the atrocities by China on Tibetan people. Means Tibetan leader Dalai Lama he fled away India because of the atrocities by China on Tibetan. Means Dalai Lama fled means he ran away to escape in India because of extremely cruel act of injustice by China on Tibetan people. Okay, atrocities means extremely cruel act of injustice. Okay, tomorrow we will continue the next part of the lesson.